I've watched him multiple times. I'm sure sa pelikulang ito, he's gonna show again, he's gonna flex again what he's got. Alright.
Labas na mabalik, pero pag sa bahay ko. Joke lang. Siyempre, malayo po. Nagpo-portray lang po talaga ako ng role doon.
Of course, that makes a great actor talaga.
Tsaka challenging siya for me kasi hindi ko siya madalas ginagawa. So, first time ko yata gawin to sa pelikula. Itong role na ganito.
Thank you so much. And also, we have friends who are part of the cast, like Ashton and so on, madami sila, and Hans. Kaya excited na kami mapanood sila. Yes, how about you?
Yun din, same din. Friends, and of course, Direct Jason, creative director ng Alama.
There we go. Maraming salamat. Guys, three of the cast members of Ang Mutyanang Section E. Grabe, what a beautiful sight to see Sarah Jo looking beautiful as always. Ino is pogi as always. Thank you so much. Again guys, para sa kalaman ng lahat, this is something you should know, ladies and gents. Si Ashton Oliviga and si Andres Mulak ay magmumula sa Julia Vargas sa baba. So, konting intay lamang, konting abang-abang lang tayo. I'm sure worth it kapag Michael Keith, the birthday boy. Again, our official hashtags, hashtag minamahal isang taong bulak-bulak para kay Luna, hashtag minamahal movie, hashtag Andres Mulak, hashtag Ashton Oliviga. Ayan. Si Hans pala, which is also a member of JT, is part of Minamahal. I think that's his acting debut. Tama ba? No? Acting debut yun. Wow. Nakaka-excite. Paano kaya umarte si Hans? Diba, we know Hans is a great singer, a great...
We are 3/5 of GAT!
3/5 of GAT. Nasaan yung dalawa?
Isa, syempre, cast member.
Yes.
Isa, medyo late. Na-traffic.
Sa traffic kasi valid naman. Sobrang traffic.
Valid, yes. Ayun po, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta po dito and to support. We're here to support our best friend, of course, our group member na si Hans, and of course, the whole cast of Minamahal. We're so happy dahil ang daming tao para supportahan ang movie ng Ashes, first movie nila. And sana po, stream niyo po ang aming first debut single, ang debut single po namin na kakaiba sa Spotify po and also yung platform. So, salamat po.
Sino yung mga luna sa buhay nila? Sino ba yung mga luna? Wala rin. Ako din wala eh. It's a tie. Okay. Sa mahal ng mga third. Ayan. There we go. Also, save the date dahil looking so beautiful, like they're the perfect Barbie duo tonight. Barbies in one frame. I can see them over here. Come on and join me here. Ryan and Ren Escaño. Looking so beautiful. Grabe. And now we can see over here our next batch of artists. We have Justin, Derek, and Phoebe. There we go, ladies and gents. Hashtag minamahal, isang bulaklak para kay Luna. Hashtag minamahal movie, and hashtag Arsenal Liga, hashtag what is up with you?
Thank you po. I love you guys.
Samsung, you have supporters over there. But now, we are watching Minamahal tonight. I don't know if you feel what's going on in your head and your heart right now. Tell me.
Grabe, right now, hindi ko I can't hide it. Like, talaga po kanina po akong excited talaga. Like, I can't wait to see the film. Yung mga emotions na lalabas mamaya, hindi ko po alam kasi first time ko po talaga to watch this movie and I'm excited. Thank you all so much for everybody here right now and I love you all. Thank you.
We love you, Samsung. Maraming salamat. Picture ko muna for the camera before you go inside. There we have it, ladies and gents. Again, gusto ko pasalamatan muna Smart White Rose of Baya bilang ating major sponsors tonight. Thank you so much, Sam. Wow! The crowd is going wild over these two. Lance bilang isang aktor na parte ng pelikulang Minamahal, and Aubrey to support her Lance. Lance got together with Aubrey Taran. Grabe. All eyes on these two. Aubrey! Hello! Aubrey! Grabe yung titilan niya. Na para bang... Promise! Baka ba kidding? Pero, Lance, bilang parte ka ng pelikula na Minamahal, sino ka dito, without spoiling anything of course, sino ka dito at ano yung role mo? Who are you?
My name here is Eugene. I'm gonna play as Eugene and I'm gonna be
The what? The what? Tell us!
basta I'm gonna be part of the college era ni Luna. Yun lang muna.
Yun mo na for now.
Yun muna.
Yun mo na, Eugene. Pero, kasama mo si Aubrey to support you. Hindi, Obs! Bakit? Ano feeling mo na mapanood mo na siyempre si Lance sa big screen? Sabihin mo sa kanya.
First time niya, first movie mo, no? Tapos, first time niya makapanood sa sarili niya sa big screen. So,
Oh, really?
yeah, I'm really happy for
Wow.
him. Really excited. And of course, congratulations sa'yo. Of course, congratulations sa kay Ashley sa successful movie. And of course, kay Ashley.
Yes, of course, maraming salamat guys. Imbitahan niyo sila September 24 to watch Minamahal at Cinemas nationwide. nakita na yun.
Okay guys, September 24, it's finally gonna be shown nationwide in cinemas. Minamahal, starring Ashley Viga and Andres Mulak. Sana panood niyo po and I know you guys are gonna love it.
Yes. Are you gonna love it, Aubrey? Are you gonna love it? The film.
For sure. Oo.
Imbitahan mo
Trailer
sila.
pa lang eh. Minahal na natin trailer. What more yung full film?
Minahal.
Binamahal.
Mahal. Okay, sige. Picture mo na kayo before you get it. Camera pictures, please.
DJ! Third wheel! Third wheel ka dyan! Lagi na lang!
There we go. Lance and Aubrey. Wow, what a beautiful pair. Visuals and chemistry. And oh my gosh, wow! Guys, you're seeing right now Ashton and Andres. Guys, batiin niyo muna silang lahat tonight. Ashton!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat!
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. It means a lot and we really appreciate it.
Yes, kahit maulan nandito kayo, sinusuportahan kami. Maraming salamat po.
Direk, kasama mo ako sa laban na to.
Ano yun? Sorry.
Kasama mo ako sa laban na to.
Yung tanong mo.
Hindi, ano yung mensahe mo para kay Andres and Ashton? Ngayon nandito na sila.
Ayun, this is just the beginning. As in literal, this is just the beginning kasi nakikita ko ang dami nyo mang gagawin after nito, mapa-series man or movie. So, kung ano man yung attitude na meron kayo nitong ginagawa natin itong pelikula, dalhin nyo lang itong go for.
No, maraming salamat, Direk. And I'm sure lahat ng mga tao mamahalin tong pelikula to tulad ng pagmamahal nila kay Ashton and Andres. Guys, everything that you're seeing right now, this is a manifestation. Now, when you really want something, all the universe conspires to help you achieve it. And of course, it's a blessing from God. Diba? So, wow! Segundo mula ngayon, mapapanood natin ang blockbuster artists na ito na talagang bibida sa mga sinehan. The first out of the many movies that you guys are yet to make. Now, Andres, imbitahan mo silang lahat. There we go. Again, cinema ticket holders, pasok na po tayo. Thank you, Ash, Andres, and of course, the brains and hearts of this film na minamahal, Direk JPL. Thank you so much. I'll see you inside.
Anong masasabi niyo sa performance ng dalawa? Pero sincerely, thank you very much for your presence here. And I do really hope na nagustuhan niyo yung pelikula. And fans natin na pelikula or kung yung basta kwento lang, sana tulungan ng pagkalan ko sa mga tao.
Thanks so much, and thank you, of course. We have Ashton Olivia herself, Luna.
Transparency,
Ladies and gentlemen, Andres Mulak!
Everything that's happening is really because of you guys, you know. I know we're going through it all, but I really, really love you all, and I really appreciate everything. To Derek, Big Bill, thank you so much, Derek, for really believing in us and, you know, picking us for this film. It's really an honor to get the chance to work with you, Derek. I learned a lot, so thank you so much. And of course, to our bosses in Viva, our Viva family, Boss Vic, Boss Vincent, Boss Val, Boss Veronica, and Tito June, maraming salamat. Because if it wasn't for you guys, you're the ones that believed in us, and that's why I'm here on the silver screen, which is nakakaiba talaga. I haven't grasped around it yet, but yun. And of course, to my parents, my family, my mom, my dad, my sister, of course, my mama G. Thank you so much, because without you guys, really, I don't know where I'd be. No, and of course, you people are low. My family is really the people that have shaped me. The man I've become today is really because of my family, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much. And to all my friends here, my Viva family, everyone, my cousins, my dad, my mama, I'm so proud of all of us. This is, wow. I don't know what to say. Yeah, thank you. And with all the fans, of course, the Viva fans that we've worked with and we continue to work with, thank you so much. Yeah.
There we go, Andres Mulak, ladies and gentlemen.